They're dog sitting.
They're dog sitting.
Boy, are they dog sitting.
A lot of dogs.
A lot of dogs.
They make a lot of money.
And they're putting it to good use.
Oh, good.
This is Tony Furdock's yard, but only one of these dogs belongs to him. The rest, he's dog sitting.
It's a shared space, yes.
And Tony shares it with his wife Ann, and, at times, up to around a dozen dogs. And they're doing it all for animal shelters. Years ago, the Furdocks didn't even have a dog, but they did a favor for a vacationing friend who didn't want to put her dog in a kennel.
She insisted that we take money when she got home and came to pick up her dog. And we said, oh, no. She insisted. So we said, okay, we'll donate it to a charity. And she told a friend about this, and the friend wanted us to sit for their dog, and it spread by word of mouth.
The Furdocks enjoyed it so much, they ended up getting their own dog, Cosmo, and dog-sitting many others, with thousands of dollars donated back to shelters.
The holidays are busy. People travel for the holidays, Christmas, Thanksgiving, spring break, and all through summer vacation season. We usually are full, especially on the weekends.
There are some rules. The dogs must be spayed or neutered. They have to be microchipped, updated vaccinations and vet info. They only take in rescued dogs.
We keep a variety of personalities. Some are pretty uptight and have separation anxiety.
It's not like the Furdocks don't have enough to do. Tony makes prototypes for a design and engineering firm, and Ann is an audiologist who works with cochlear implants. They get up extra early to take care of the dogs in the morning, and then after work,
then it all starts over again when we get home in the evening, about 5:30, 6 o'clock, feeding time, and we'll spend a lot of time out in the yard playing, throwing balls.
You got
fetching.
your pool. Got
they
your
have
pool
a pool
set up. Yeah.
Really popular on hot days.
I mean, is there ever a day when you come home from work and you've had a long day at work and you get here and they're all barking and causing a fuss, and you think, okay, maybe next summer we'll close the business down for a summer and take our own vacation?
Absolutely not. It's a joyous occasion when we come home, because when the dogs are barking and upset, it's because they're so happy to see us. And when you come home from a really rough day, it's always so nice to have such a warm welcome.
For Pet Pals TV, I'm Paul Poteet.